This is our 530 moisture analyzer, and we are going to explain to you today how to create a method. You're going to use these 4 buttons here in order to create a method. This button will change the heat mode, this button changes the temperature, this button changes the stop time, and this one changes the auto stop. You press this button here in order to go onto the different heat modes. Press start, and then you're able to scroll down until you find the heat mode that you require. Press enter to select it, and then go back to the menu. To change your temperature, press this button here. Press start, and then you can scroll through the different number options. If you select a temperature which is above Moisture Analyzer's requirements and you try and enter it, it will give you a warning here showing that the maximum is 230. In order to change it, you can just scroll through, adjust the temperature accordingly, press enter to lock it in, and then menu to go back to the main menu. In order to turn on the timer stop, you press this button here, press start, and then you can scroll down to turn it on, press start to lock it in. Scroll down again, and now you're able to change the stop time. Press enter, and then you can scroll over and adjust the time accordingly. Once you're happy, press start to lock it in. To turn on auto stop, you're going to press this button here, then you can press start and scroll down until you find the one you require. Once you do, press start. Now you can scroll down and it takes you to the parameters. Press start, and you're able to change it into one that's right for you. Press start to lock it in. If instead you want one that's not percentaged over time, just scroll down and you can press enter and scroll down to the other options available. If this is the one you want, then you can press start, scroll down, and now it's going to give you the digit over time stop parameters. To change this, press start, and you can scroll down until you find the one that's right for you. To save this, press start, and now you can go back to the main menu. In order to save the method, you press menu, you scroll down until you find store method. Press start. Now you can change the name of it. Just scroll through until you find the letter you require. You can change this, and once you're happy, press start to lock it in. And now this method is ready to start, and you can load your sample. Now that you've loaded your sample, you can see the weight of it here. Once you're ready, you close the lid and you press start. You can see now that it's turned red, and this shows you that the sample is running. And you can see your heating parameters here. So it's soft heating, this is the temperature it's currently at, this is the stop parameters, and this is the percentage moisture, and this will go down once the moisture loss has begun. Thank you for watching our how to create a method video. Please keep an eye out for more helpful videos which will show you how to optimize your moisture analysis.